Batter up! There's nothing quite like the crack of the bat, the smell of fresh cut grass, and that feeling when spring turns into summer. Baseball isn't just a game, it's a feeling. We've captured that passion in a single stunning pen kit. Check out the details we've packed in. The pen features a pitcher winding up right on the clip, a perfectly sculpted baseball glove for the cap, and an intricate nib with baseball players mid-game. It's like a miniature baseball field in your hand. We've lined up 5 stunning finishes for you on our pen kit built for smooth, effortless writing. Plus, turning and pressing the kit is simple. Whether you love turning your own masterpiece or prefer the sleek look of our colored fiber blanks, this kit is made for makers of all levels. Whether you're celebrating a grand slam or cheering on a little leaguer, this pen is your MVP. It's a perfect conversation starter, a symbol of your passion, and a fantastic gift for any fan. For all you turners and makers, it's easy to create, allowing you to bring your own personal touch to this unique design. This Kickstarter campaign is your golden ticket to help us bring the baseball pen kit to everyone. With over 23 years of passion and expertise, WoodTurningz has been crafting pen kits that inspire makers worldwide. We've delivered countless successful designs, and we're bringing that same dedication to this baseball pen kit. When you back us, you're teaming up with a trusted name that delivers winning products. Step up to the plate and join our team on Kickstarter today. Pledge now to secure your exclusive early backer savings before this campaign's final inning. Together, we'll bring the baseball pen to life for fans everywhere.